AI is taking over the world and I wanted to get in. Here's how I created an AI business and how I managed to get 30,000 people to use my product in just 4 weeks. Let's roll the video. It is November 30th, 2022. ChatGPT gets released and the internet goes crazy. In just 5 days, 1 million people already have tried ChatGPT, growing exponentially. Compared to this, the spread of Instagram and Facebook was slow. It took Facebook 10 months to get to 1 million users. December 3rd, my co-founder texted me. I built a WhatsApp chat AI. This can generate any content for you, answers any questions you have. I tried out and I'm overwhelmed. No wait time, no browser needed, just texting on WhatsApp as I'm texting a friend to get access to the smartest AI in the world. We call it AskGenie.ai. I'm testing it out with multiple questions. It has some flaws, but it works awesome. A week passes in which we build the functionalities of the bot further, training the model to respond to questions more accurately like ChatGPT. I built a landing page. Even though people could just share our WhatsApp number, it's better to have a landing page to have a serious web presence for customers and potential investors. It's December 10th. I wake up, check our Stripe account, and there it is. The first payment of a stranger who uses Genie who is not our friend. What an incredible feeling. I check Gmail and see that the customer even sent us an email thanking us for creating the service. In today's world, where startups build for months and years without even knowing if any customer will pay in the end for the product, this was a big step for us. 13th of December, today things really take off. I decide to use my short form video skills and do a TikTok on Genie. At that time, ChatGPT is down most of the time because of the massive demand. Genie, however, is up 24/7. I film and upload a 6-second TikTok while I'm at the airport. I bought my flight and touched down 2 hours later just to see that already 4,000 people have watched the TikTok. I write home and the TikTok is at 16,000 views. I'm checking Google Analytics constantly and wow, 100 new users, 200 new users on the website and signing up for our service. I start asking myself the questions, how many people is the system able to handle? How many people are actually gonna pay and subscribe later? An hour later, the TikTok is at 50,000 views. Now things are going absolutely crazy. 400 people per hour are trying to sign up for our service. I see that the service and messaging are getting slower and slower because of the huge demand. All of a sudden, at like 1 a.m. in the morning, the system completely crashes. No messages can be sent anymore. I'm getting first emails from users saying that it's a scam because they don't get any messages back. But of course, they don't know what we experience right now in this huge surge of traffic. Therefore, I put up a waitlist on the websites where users can sign up to get a notification later when we expanded our services. After just a few hours, we have over 4,000 people on the waitlist. I can't get my mind around these numbers. The TikTok video luckily starts fading out around 200,000 views later, and so the traffic luckily starts to slow down. It is now 5 a.m. and I head home because this was absolutely a crazy ride. Fast forward to 2023. On January 8th, I wake up, check the analytics, and it is happening again. We were just being stable with our users, but all of a sudden, 200 people per hour are trying to sign up to Genie. The only thing is, at this time, I don't know where the traffic is coming from. I see all these people on the website, mostly from Middle East, and I haven't posted anything. So I search around a bit and I find a Twitter post from an influencer from Saudi Arabia just tweeting about Genie and how nice he finds the service. And of course, this leads a lot of people to sign up for Genie. The post only got around 100 likes in the end, but over 26,000 people visited our landing page in the following days from that tweet. And that alone shows me how powerful influencer marketing really can be. Fast forward, it is mid-January. There are rumors going on that ChatGPT is going paid and it will cost $42 a month. The outcry in the ChatGPT community is huge. However, for Genie, it is actually a good thing because with $6 a month, we are far cheaper than the pro version of ChatGPT will probably be. Of course, I do a TikTok on that topic as well, and that TikTok blows up as well and gets like 80,000 views in about 4 hours. Fast forward to end of January. We had over 30,000 people on the website in the last 4 weeks. That is just mind-blowing to me. And as a person that comes from a B2B background, this is something I have never seen before. We now also have over 200 paying subscribers that support the project and really love having the AI service in their smartphone directly. What have I learned now after just 6 weeks of starting my first AI project? You have to build your MVP, your minimal viable product, as quickly as possible and bring it in front of customers as soon as you can. It can have many mistakes, it should definitely not be perfect, but it gives you the chance to collect feedback right away from your very first customers, and then you can iterate your product much quicker than someone who builds in very silence and doesn't get any feedback at all from customers. Second, for B2C products, if you have no money, start with organic marketing. TikTok, Instagram Reels, Shorts, Twitter, these are gold mines and you can use them for absolutely free to get traffic to your website. If you know how to make short form content go viral, or if you know how to make tweets go viral, you've won. As I said, over 30,000 people have visited our website in just 1 month without me spending a single euro in advertising. If you're in B2B, it's of course much harder to reach that massive amount of people because there's just not that many targets that you can sell your product to. But for B2C, this method is perfect to begin with. All right, your game plan for starting an AI business. All you have to do is build a user-friendly front end and use OpenAI's technology in the back end. If you right now don't know what all of that means, trust me, I didn't know either a few years ago, and I'm not a coder. You can use tools like Make.com or Zapier to create businesses without touching code once. They allow you to connect to the OpenAI API even if you're not a coder. Let me know if you want to have a video on how that works as well. Imagine how ChatGPT was along all that time, but only once OpenAI built this user-friendly front end, people started to use it massively. That's why it's so important to build user-friendly front ends. Next step is to create organic short-form content and lead people to your website. And last but not least, watch your project go viral. I hope this video was insightful for you. AI came here to stay, and I will do definitely more videos on that topic. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.